Here we are going to learn how to draw the PV diagram, TP diagram, VT diagram in the case of isobaric process. Before going to draw the PV diagram, TP diagram and VT diagram for isobaric process, we should know the basic definition of isobaric process. What is isobaric process? This is one of the thermodynamical process that occurs at constant pressure. That is a key term. Though the pressure is constant in this process, temperature, volume and internal energy of the system are not constant. Most of the cooking processes in our kitchen are isobaric processes. When the food is cooked in an open vessel, the pressure above the food is always at atmospheric pressure, that is at constant pressure. To draw the PV diagram, TP diagram and VT diagram, some data are required. That's why I have drawn one tabular column with these three parameters: volume, pressure and temperature. As I have told earlier, pressure is kept constant. Pressure is not going to be altered. Volume and temperature alone will change. Here I have taken some typical values of volume and temperature. By using this, we are going to draw the PV diagram, TP diagram and VT diagram. Here you are observing the PV diagram in the case of isobaric process. Volume is taken along x-axis and pressure is taken along y-axis. Here the pressure is constant. Though the volume is increased, pressure is not changing. Pressure is constant. You could see a blue line, horizontal line, that is drawn parallel to the x-axis. It shows that pressure is constant. This is called as PV diagram. Now next you are going to see about the next kind of diagram called TP diagram. Here you are observing the TP diagram in the case of isobaric process. Pressure is taken along x-axis, temperature is taken along y-axis. As we know earlier, the pressure is constant, there is no change in the pressure. The typical value is taken as 100 kilopascal and the temperature is changing. Look at the graph. Since the pressure is constant, exactly at 100 kilopascal, you could see a bluish vertical line. That vertical line is parallel to the y-axis. Though the pressure is constant, which one is increasing? Temperature is increasing at a particular pressure. So you can see a vertical line. At a particular pressure, temperature alone is increasing. That is the nature of the graph in the case of TP diagram. Here you are observing the VT diagram in the case of isobaric process. We know very well that pressure is kept constant in the case of isobaric process. Here the temperature is taken along x-axis and volume is taken along y-axis. When the temperature is increased, volume also increases. When the temperature is increased, volume of the system also increases. You can see a linear graph, slanting linear graph, bluish graph could be seen in the graph. But pressure is kept constant. Okay, so far we have seen the shape of the PV diagram, TP diagram and VT diagram in the case of isobaric processes. This question is being asked in Standard 12, Chapter 8, Heat and Thermodynamics lesson as one of the exercise questions.